AI video is evolving from simple clips into real filmmaking. Today, I will show you a complete cinematic workflow using Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0 from image creation to multi-shot storytelling.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing cinematic AI platforms designed specifically for creators. Cinema Studio 2.0 allows you to generate scenes, direct camera motion from control characters, and build connected shots, all inside one unified workspace.
First, I generate a hero frame that will serve as the visual foundation of the cinematic sequence.
Every cinematic video begins with a hero frame, the visual foundation of your sequence. First, select your camera setup, sensor, lens type, focal length, and aperture. These settings control depth of field and cinematic quality. Next, describe your scene using a text prompt. After generation, choose the strongest image to anchor your video.
Cinema Studio allows spatial exploration of the scene so composition can be refined before animation.
Cinema Studio 2.0 introduced spatial exploration. You can enter your image as a 3D scene, move around the environment, and refine composition before animation. Grid exploration allows you to preview multiple variations and quickly select the best cinematic composition.
Next, I apply cinematic camera movement and control timing using speed ramp.
Instead of complex editing timelines, motion is controlled directly. Choose camera movements such as pan, tilt, dolly, orbit, or handlet. Speed ramp allows precise control over motion timing, slow for dramatic tension, linear for realism, or accelerated for energy.
Cinema Studio supports multi-shot storytelling, allowing connect cinema senses. Let me show you how it works.
This makes it possible to create establishing shots, medium shots, and close-up that flow together like a real film scene.
I can add characters, assign emotions, and generate synchronized dialogue. Let me show you how.
Characters can be added and directed across shots. Each character can be assigned emotions such as focus, surprise, or calm. Dialogue can also be written, and Cinema Studio automatically handle lip sync while maintaining visual consistency across the sequence.
Hello everyone. Today we're looking at our genre presets. They define the pacing, motion, and cinematic tone. Let's explore this.
Genre preset defines cinematic behavior. Action scene emphasize dynamic motion, horror increases tension, and comedy adjusts pacing for timing. This allows creators to control storytelling tone directly during generation.
Finally, the system generates a complete cinematic video sequence with consistent style and motion. I am so excited.
The final cinematic video, Cinema Studio animates the hero frame into a complete sequence with consistent style, camera motion, and cinematic composition.
Now let's watch the cinematic action sequences created using Higgsfield Cinema. Each scene demonstrates character direction, cinematic camera motion, and genre-based storytelling. Here are the final results.
They thought tonight would be easy.
You picked the wrong fight! He'll have to do better! Not today! Target locked! They chase shadows off, but the storm is coming. And I am ready.
Action is incredible!
They thought he was gone. They were wrong. Exiled, hunted, but never broken. Every shadow hides a threat. Every step could change everything. They hunted a man. They found the Alpha.
You can start creating your own cinematic AI videos using Higgsfield today. Links are in the description and pinned comments. If you enjoy learning practical creator tools like this, join our Digital Hustle Academy community where we share strategies, tools, and opportunities for creators.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.